welcome back, everyone. It was an incredible start to the week with the market making new all-time highs, followed by a pullback intraday. Now, we've got on the screen a weekly candlestick chart of the SPY, a daily, and a 4-hour. Multiple time frames are on the screen with reason. The whole point is the throw of the signal. We want to know what that undercurrent of the move is, where the middle of the river is going, and where the surface is. Now, if we're looking at a weekly, daily, and 4-hour time frame, we're looking at a swing time frame, looking out at the very hard right edge of the screen, 3 to 5 days, at the very left-hand side of the screen, about a month to potentially up to a quarter. Now, the toolkit that's on screen comes with incredible strategies that are simple and powerful. What you can see after that cyan dot did fire off back there in November of 2023 is a target 1, a target midline, and a target 2. Now, the weekly chart continues to see price action for the large part ride these very fast speed lines. And in the subchart, you can see that the TRP momentum crossover lines continue to rise towards the top of their channel, signifying momentum to the upside remains and there's still some room. Now, that chart looks out a month to a quarter. When we take a look at the daily chart, what do we see? We see a signal early January, a buy signal, and we are well above that target too. That is what we call a runaway breakout. Now, that runaway can continue running away while we've got that very powerful subchart indicator telling us that the momentum is still positive. Blue dot, positive line, but we know we are reaching the top of that channel, which can create some resistance or slowdown in the move if we get a time frame underneath giving us those warnings. Now, a 4-hour chart is what you see on the hard right edge of the screen, looks out 3 to 5 days. There's the buy signal. We are well above that target 2 for the first 4-hour bar today. The other one did close down right at that level. Now, do we have an indication that we're expended all of that bullish fuel and it's time to go? Well, if you take one more time frame down, and that would be the hourly chart, we can tell that we are seeing some negative momentum come into the mix, along with a TRP sell signal and some targets. But this is a sell signal in an uptrend, which we can discern by looking at the channel. That's the 3 lines that I'm pointing to over here. A pullback down to the channel, into it, and a bounce back up off of it is still a bullish market. Now, we've got a very special class coming up this Wednesday, February the 14th, where I'm going to provide insight on the market at large, a variety of asset classes, and of course, how I use the TRP toolkit that you see on screen in conjunction with the Champion Trend Pack toolkit, which includes that Spike 2.0, the Champion Trend, and the Champion Cross, and a variety of the other signals like the Breakout Forecaster, Wealth Signal. And this will all come together in a strategic way to actually attack the market in this very risky and volatile time as we continue to drift higher and stretch that market elastic band more and more. The toolkit does tell us there is room to grow, but the time frame for that room to grow could be upwards of a quarter. We're already at the limit, if you will, for the time frames that matter for the balance of the week. Is this market going to be able to hold it, or do we have to pull back and refuel? That and much, much more with a variety of scans using this toolkit to identify higher probability trade opportunities at the right time in a simple and powerful manner, in a way that one can look at potentially staying in for the duration of the move and making better choices for exits. I look forward to seeing you this Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. We're going to kick off for an incredible class. It is a do not miss event in a market that is as stretched as this. I'll be sharing strategies from this toolkit on the market, built by Rob Hoffman, 32-time international domestic trading champion, real money trading champion, looking very much forward to sharing his strategies, my strategies, combining them with the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit, and giving you a powerful set of insights and ideas and ways to go after a market like the one we're in that seems to be drifting higher and higher. Is there a limit? We'll find out. Simply go to becomebettertrader.com/yes. Join us on Wednesday, February the 14th, starting at 10 a.m. Eastern time for this very special class. It's a do not miss event. It is not recorded. We are doing this to help you identify better decisions using powerful strategies, just like the ones Rob and I use in markets. Have a great rest of your day, and thank you kindly for watching. Bye for now.